Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Today we are going to start our new chapter, that is coordination and control. Chapter 17, topic 1, coordination in plants. First of all, we will see how coordination takes place in plants, then how coordination takes place in animals, and then we have a separate portion that is related to behavior. Today our task is to discuss how coordination takes place in plants, and first topic is differences between the coordination between plants and animals. How coordination in plants is different from the coordination in animals. So let's get started. Plants are sessile in their mode of locomotion. Plants हरकत नहीं करते, एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूव नहीं करते. On the other hand, animals are motile. Animals can move and have locomotive mode of locomotion. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह मूव कर सकते हैं. So their daily task or their number of activities in animals is greater than the plants. How plants show responses? Plants अपने responses कैसे show करता है against a stimulus? अपने अंदर होने वाली changes को कैसे जाहिर करता है? By regulating their growth rates, अपने growth rates को increase या decrease करके, and by increasing or decreasing its turgidity, अपने अंदर water level को change करके. अगर water प्लांट टर्जिड होगा, वाटर लेवल राइज करेगा, तो प्लांट जो है अपराइट पोजीशन में होगा, स्ट्रेट पोजीशन में होगा. इफ इट लूज इट्स वाटर देन इट कम्स इनटू विल्टिंग स्टेज. हाउ एनिमल्स शो रिस्पॉन्स? एनिमल्स शो रिस्पॉन्स इन नंबर ऑफ वेज, बाय कैप्चरिंग समथिंग, बाय वॉकिंग, बाय रनिंग एंड बाय प्रेइंग. ये सारे मोड हैं जिसके थ्रू एनिमल्स अपने रिस्पॉन्सेज को क्या करता है, शो करता है. Plants doesn't have any specialized tissue. Plants के अंदर कोई specialized tissue नहीं होता like muscles जिसके थ्रू अपने response show कर सकें. On the other hand, animals have a specialized tissue like muscle. They evolved these tissues to show responses, and these tissues are somehow quick in their actions. In coordination in plants only takes place through hormones, mean it only have chemical coordination system. On the other hand, animals have both coordination system, chemical coordination system and nervous coordination system. Chemical coordination system takes place through hormones, and nervous coordination takes place through specialized cells, and these cells are neurons. The process of coordination is very slow in plants as compared to animal, because it doesn't have any flexible contractile muscles which can show immediate response. On the other hand, animals have evolved some tissues like muscles which are quick in their actions and show immediate response. Secretions is slow. The secretions, that is chemicals that secrete from the plants to carry out some processes, its secretions is very slow. On the other hand, the secretions in animals in chemical coordination system is somehow quick than the plants. So these are the some major differences between the coordination in plants and animals. Now our next topic is of this chapter is some differences, that is etiolation and chlorosis, callus and galls. Etiolation एक प्लांट का रिस्पॉन्स है, एक उसका रिएक्शन है अगेंस्ट सम स्टिमुलस, अगेंस्ट सम कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस, अगेंस्ट सम रिजल्ट्स एंड डीलिंग्स. Chlorosis is also a response that plants show in some specific conditions, abnormal conditions, Etiolation if plants occur if plants are grown without light. अगर प्लांट को बगैर लाइट के ग्रो किया जाए, शेडी एरिया में ग्रो किया जाए, then they fail to form chlorophyll. वो क्लोरोफिल नहीं बनाता and it turns into yellow color. On the other hand, one important thing is, but this keep growing. लेकिन वो ग्रो करते रहते हैं and become extremely long. But difference is कि वो क्लोरोफिल नहीं बनाता, fail to form chlorophyll and become extremely low. Both these things are contradictory. So this is a special condition which occurs when plant is grown without light. Chlorosis is a condition which represents the lack of chlorophyll, and many plants take on a yellowish hue. Hue का मतलब कलर, yellowish कलर ले लेते हैं, yellowish morphology बना लेते हैं when they form sufficient chlorophyll. इस केस में भी chlorophyll नहीं बन रहा, but this condition is arises due to another stimulus, and stimulus is lack of nutrients. If plant face the shortage of nutrients or nutrient supply is lacking, then plants take on a yellowish hue. It fails to form chlorophyll, and that condition is known as chlorosis. Both etiolation and chlorosis are somehow same, but their stimulus, their condition which causes this condition to rise are different. Other response or abnormal growth is callus and galls. Callus occurs during abnormal development, and it occurs at the wounded part. जब प्लांट को कट लगाया जाता है तो वो कट फिल करने के लिए इर्द गिर्द के टिश्यूज क्या करते हैं, डिवाइड, और उस कट को वो क्या कर देते हैं, फिल अप कर देते हैं. दिस mass of tissues that grow later on the wounded part is known as callus. And this mass of tissue, ये cells का गुच्छा जो है ये क्या होता है, amorphous, मीन के अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड होता है, अनस्पेशलाइज्ड होता है, बेतरतीब होता है, दूसरे सेल्स की तरह लाइंड अप नहीं हुआ होता, सिर्फ एक बेतरतीब सेल्स का गुच्छा होता है जो कि उस वाउंड को, उस गैप को आके फिल कर देता है. एंड दिस वाउंडेड मैस, एमोर्फस मैस, अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड मैस इज नोन एज कैलस. ये जो आउट ग्रोथ होगी अनडिफरेंशिएटेड सेल्स की, इसे हम क्या कहेंगे, कैलस. Amorphous mass of cell, unorganized mass of cell that occur at the wounded part is known as callus, and this callus show the abnormal development because these cells are not normal. Galls is also growth on plants, outgrowth on plants. These are also less differentiated and undifferentiated. But this condition is occurred due to another stimulus, and this stimulus is known as parasite invasion. अगर बॉडी के अंदर, प्लांट की बॉडी के अंदर कोई पैरासाइट इन्वेड कर जाता है, इसे इन्फेक्शन होता है लाइक बैक्टीरिया, तो वो बैक्टीरिया अंदर जाके सेल्स की अनकंट्रोल सेल डिवीजन करवा देता है. एंड दिस अनकंट्रोल सेल डिवीजन के नतीजे में जो लेस डिफरेंशिएटेड कैलस की तरह का मैस ऑफ सेल बनेगा, उसे हम क्या कहेंगे, गॉल्स. सो बोथ कंडीशन, बोथ आउटग्रोथ, बोथ मैस ऑफ सेल्स आर सेम, बट देयर स्टिमुलस एंड देयर काजेस आर डिफरेंट. गॉल्स अकर ड्यू टू द इन रिजल्ट ऑफ पैरासाइट इन्वेजन, कैलस अकर इन रिजल्ट ऑफ द फिजिकल इंजरी टू द प्लांट. So this is all about your today's lecture, in which we discuss differences between plant and animal coordination, then the differences between some responses that occur in plants, that is etiolation, chlorosis, callus and galls.